All right, y'all, so by the title, you know what we're doing today. We're letting the car in front of us decide what we're going to eat. So hopefully wherever we go, I hope it's something good. But right now we're at Taco Bell, sitting waiting for a car to pull in, because as you can see, it's empty. There is a McDonald's over here, which they're never empty, so either we might find another Taco Bell to go to, or if not, then we'll go to a McDonald's probably. But just stay tuned and you'll see where we end up. So we're waiting on, well, car just pulled up, so we're waiting on them to order, and then we're going to get exactly what they got. And we had to come to another Taco Bell because the other one, no one came. Y'all, he left so fast, so I really don't think that he ordered anything, to be honest.
You don't think he got none?
No, if he didn't
Hey, can I get the same order the car in the front of us just got?
Same order as who?
The vehicle that just left?
The man that just pulled out?
Yes.
He didn't order.
Oh, he didn't get anything?
No, that's a DoorDash.
You want to just ask about the last order?
Yeah, what's the last order?
Is you able to tell us the last order that you got? Well,
I'm sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
the last order that you received, can we get that?
I bet she like, what in the world? So the guy that pulled up,
Whatever your last order was.
he didn't get anything. He was for DoorDash. So
She told us what it was.
this fine.
Yeah, let me get that.
Would that be all?
Yes.
Okay, so that's 546 for real.
And we're back, family.
So
You doing?
So the person that pulled up, he didn't order anything. I think she said he was like DoorDash or something like that. So she just pulled up the last transaction, which was a steak quesadilla, and it was, the total ended up being $5.46. So it was only one quesadilla that we got. So, and I've had these before, so it's really kind of nothing new. We've both had it before.
I'm quite sure everybody had it.
They just come in this little bag. I think
Them quesadillas used to be bigger than that. No, that's all.
the package
I thought they used to be a whole circle or something like that.
There you go. It looks like this.
It's fresh,
for y'all who've never been to Taco Bell.
Okay, it's fresh.
Yeah, it's real fresh.
Look at that cheese. Yeah, I'm used to quesadillas being bigger than that. There's 3 pieces.
They good, y'all. But like I said, I get these pretty much when we do go to Taco Bell. This is what I'll get.
This the one you had, yo. You started getting on instead of chicken.
So
Gonna make me hungry, huh?
it's good.
Yeah.
These are always good though. So since we only got one thing from the last transaction, we're gonna go to another fast food place and see if we can get somebody to buy a couple things so we can try.
Maybe something we never had.
I don't know where they steak. Who get it?
Who get it?
I don't know where they get their steak from, but it is so seasoned.
It really is good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see where the car takes us this time. You don't fold here like that? Gotta hit it with that fold over.
What do y'all get from Taco Bell?
My favorite, the Dorito Los Taco. It's the best thing on their meal. Oh, that's onion.
They didn't even give us no napkins either. Oh.
I ain't know if that onion on it. Oh, that's that cheese. That's cheese. Yeah,
I can't believe whoever was the last person only got one steak quesadilla. Like they ain't get no drink. So I guess maybe they had their own drink. I don't know, but
probably somebody young or older.
Oh yeah, that was good. We haven't ate anything all day. Well, we didn't eat breakfast or anything this morning, but that just really made me hungry. So we will get back with y'all once we get to our next location. So hopefully y'all see all these cars. Hopefully we can get somebody. Well, this red car, is it a, well, I don't know. I guess it would be them. Yeah, it would still be them.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a 2-lane, y'all. So whichever car, hopefully they get a lot of different stuff and not just one or two things.
You saw that car move from right there.
That Charger.
That's great. I need you to feel lucky. Which lane you want to take? Which lane you want? So which lane you want me to get in? Who you feel lucky about?
Which car, y'all? Y'all choose the car. Which car we need to get behind? This one or this one? Which y'all think? Oh, they done left.
Sure, there's a line to make you leave.
Oh, they look like they from Louisiana.
So older. They older right here.
They ain't gonna get nothing.
They gonna get a veggie burger or something.
we gonna try this black car right here, y'all. Cause
they finna
are
get.
they older? Oh, they trying to get over.
I was trying to get over and get in the hospital. Hey, this traffic bad. It's two of them though. I might need to get behind them. What you think?
Is it two over here or just
See,
one?
I see the driver here.
Yeah, it's two. It's two. So it's two people in both of these cars. So we just gonna stick with.
And we might
this
not even
black
be
car
getting
right
that
here.
order. It's possible we can get the order from over here.
That is true, because I know with 2 lanes, we can either get this black car order or this red car beside us order. Yeah, I'm so glad there's so many cars right here. Cause it's like
Gary
They
Cheese.
food should be fresh. It's like almost 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 p.m. So
Is y'all big fans of McDonald's? What your rating is for McDonald's? Like out of 10, like
I would rate McDonald's.
for just how much you like it, rate it like that.
I would get them a 6. No, I would get them a 7 out of 10.
You scared me with this 6. I was like, you going down that low? 'Cause
I
I'm
would give
down
McDonald's a 7 out of 10.
for how much you like to go to McDonald's.
Yeah.
Cause I'm down to a 4 or 5, maybe a 4.
I don't think that's really low.
I'm
What
not
would
saying
y'all-
their food not good. I'm saying for is just me having them as an option of wanting to go to McDonald's. Like, I mean, the food decent and good. It's just I
What
don't
would y'all
care for
rate McDonald's out of a 10? They okay. It's not, McDonald's ain't something I would eat every day, but they're alright.
Well, your rating should have been lower than a 7 did.
No, I based a 7 on like they food, the taste
I
of
ain't
their
base it
food
like
and
that though. I mean, that food good. Just
yeah.
not a McDonald's fan.
No, you not. He like eating chicken all the time.
If I eat a burger, I think I'm pretty much probably grills. Yeah, I love that chicken. Shoot, that burger in the car all the way up there now. Ain't it?
So we might get this
Yeah.
silver car.
No, I think we're gonna get the black one.
It look like they are. Nah, I was gonna say they. Okay, so my phone just overheated, so it had to cool down. But it didn't take long. But we already ordered what this other car right here in front of us got, and she didn't tell us what their order was, so I'm happy about that. So now we're just waiting, and once we get the food, we will be back.
We'll be back, family. We'll be back.
I want y'all to see this. We thinking that we really finna get something to eat. The only thing that they ordered, this car right here, is 2 medium ice frozen coffees. Y'all, what is wrong? We gotta get some food for y'all. We gotta get some different kind of foods for y'all. So we waiting on the food right now
They
at the
should've
window,
told-
so we'll be back with y'all. Okay, so I already showed y'all the receipt. I just ain't got no words. I'm so disappointed. What we gonna do with these? We did eat the steak quesadilla, but you know,
Just
to
make you more
get something to
hungry.
drink. But I'm not no coffee drinker. Yeah, I
Let's see how it tastes. Let's see what we're working with, though.
Okay.
It was only $2.19 though. Can't beat that. It might be, if it's good, it might be.
Yeah,
something
it
good.
was this large cup. If y'all drink coffee or like coffee,
Like
this
$1.10.
yeah, this large
Piece.
cup was $1 plus the tax was $2.19.
Sweet. They got that old sugar cane sugar in there. What is good?
It ain't nasty, but
She ain't too much of that coffee side. Yeah.
I take that back. It's good.
I most
I
definitely.
think I had to shake it up some.
They just raised the chances
But-
of me going to McDonald's now, y'all.
I ain't finna drink this though. That's enough for me. But it's good. If you like coffee, you definitely should try that. It's kind of sweet, but not too sweet.
It's sweet.
It kind of tastes like caramel in it, but I know ain't no caramel in it because they didn't. It would have been on a receipt. So
Yeah.
we at Wendy's right now, y'all.
Big Wendy's.
Yeah, we at Wendy's. It is cars over here, so we gonna try this thing again and see what we can get,
Cross your fingers.
y'all. Cause I'm about hungry now, and ain't nobody trying to order no food. Hopefully this lady did.
Yes, man.
Oh,
Hey, how you
yes,
doing?
ma'am.
Can I get the same order that the vehicle just got in front of us?
Sir,
Can I have the same order of the vehicle in the front of us?
you want 2 bacon egg fries?
Same order.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
I heard her say something.
Y'all, I think she said Baconator fries, if I'm not mistaken.
Possibly, cause get what I thought. Get what I thought she said.
What?
Bacon egg fries or something. I
I don't
her
think
say
they
some
got
egg.
bacon egg fries. It's
It
better
better
than
not
the
be.
last one, but
It's good though, y'all.
y'all, I don't know what we gonna do, cause I think this man only got some Baconator fries, which I've never had. I don't think you have you had them? They good? You don't like them?
They straight. Just fries.
So I ain't never had them, so it'll be a first for me. So we gonna see how it turns out. All right. So it was 2 orders of the Baconator fries. This was the total for 2, $7.86. So it was better. It's better than the last one.
Oh, it was. You heard him good then.
Come in a little container like this. Look for this one. They might not be able to hear it there. If I can get it open, y'all.
Me and you both.
And it's how they look. They look good. Oh, I should have, dang it. I hate that they didn't get no sour cream. Here they go. So, do y'all eat or like the Baconator fries? Have y'all tried them before?
If you have, what you rate them?
It's a lot of bacon on here. I ain't no bacon fan, y'all, but they good.
It is good. I'm just doing it to us, ain't it? Coffee, cheese.
Yeah, this ain't no good mix. With cheese and coffee, y'all.
Hit me.
The bacon,
It got a crunch to it on it.
I'm finna say it don't have a crunch. But I like my bacon. When I do eat it, I like it to not be crunchy.
I like crunchy bacon. At first I thought this was sliced cheese, but it's more like the nacho. It's like a nacho cheese.
They good.
Let me get y'all a good scoop. Make y'all want some of that good
Alright,
stuff.
we ain't offer y'all none.
Mine got some crunch to it, the bacon. I'm glad he got 2 orders. They was just gonna do us wrong. I only seen one person in there though, wasn't it?
It was just one person.
They good.
That's good. Like if you just want a little snack or
A little cheap snack.
if you're a French fry person and like bacon and cheese, you should go get them. They got a lot of salt on it or something though.
I mean, it ain't too salty. It's like the fries got some salt on it, just right for me. I like to eat all around mine and just leave all the cheese and bacon and stuff in one section with it. So if I see some fries that don't really have it on there, I try to go eat them first.
Now, I will say this. I don't like Wendy's fries, but
These?
with this being on top of it, I would eat it. But just their regular fries, I wouldn't.
They wasn't stingy
Go
with
on my
the
shirt.
wasn't stingy with the stuff either.
Nah, they wasn't stingy. They give you a good amount.
Well, I had to learn is where you go at too. One spot might make it better than the other one.
Yeah.
Is that nacho cheese? I don't taste like the Velveeta.
This ain't no Velveeta cheese.
I don't know, taste like it. She know, y'all. She know her cheese. I'm good though.
That good.
Thumbs up, Wendy's.
I think I'm done though. But the only thing they ain't ordering nothing to drink. And I'm not finna drink no coffee. And I done ate all this cheese. I'm just not finna do that to myself.
You ain't gonna do it to me. And I don't do that.
I don't know about y'all, but I can't eat nothing like this and I had nothing to drink. But I ate most of it though, so.
What kind of day y'all think this was for us? Was this a win or a lose on this? You know? Due to the orders that we got. I'm quite sure people done did better than this.
Yeah. I guess.
Coffee and then some cheese fries and a quesadilla.
Quesadilla, Taco Bell, McDonald's, 2 coffees, and Wendy's, 2 orders of cheese fries, baconator fries. don't know, y'all. Today's Sunday, and it might, I don't know, maybe they just going to the
Chicken
big
place.
restaurants or cooking at home.
I'm going to get chicken.
They're not going to go get no chicken.
On Sundays, go after
That's all
church.
you think
After
about,
church,
chicken.
sure, everybody go get that chicken after church. If
What
they ain't
y'all
already
cooking
cooking
today?
at home.
Well, this might be up today. I'm not sure. But y'all let us know in the comments what y'all normally cook for Sunday dinners. Do you all go out to get something, go out to eat, or just some quick fast food drive through, or do you cook at
that's
home?
that's that teaser bite right there, y'all. That's that teaser bite. I can make this.
And y'all can also let us know some different places y'all want us to go eat at, or do some more
Awesome food y'all like us to try.
letting the person in front of us pick, or y'all can pick what y'all want us to eat
Oh,
for a
boy.
day. So you finished all yours?
Yep.
Oh yeah, he ate out here.
You know the man gonna eat. But we thank y'all for tuning in with us. Make sure you like
Comment.
and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep dropping this good content for y'all.
And y'all go ahead and share these videos and get us to 50 subscribers. That way we can go live with y'all and we can talk to y'all, you know, live instead of just doing these videos.
What you think? 100 subscriber giveaway, Chick?
Yeah. If
We get 100 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway.
yeah, even 50. I'll do it at 50. If y'all get us to 50 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway with that, and then when we get to 100 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway with that. Yeah. So once again, thank y'all for taking our time to chill with us and see what we was doing and watch the video. And we will see y'all in the next one.
In the next one.
Bye.